Hello students, welcome back once again to cbseboard economics. I'm Siddham Hussain. Well, the board timetable has come. I'm sure you must be burning midnight oil. You must be targeting to get 100 in all the subjects. Yes, sure, why not? You can. It's not difficult. Well, today in economics, we'll be putting more videos. I'm sorry we have not been updating any videos quite for some time because of some personal reasons. Well, today we'll be giving you a very important topic from your board point of view. It will be 100% there as one of the long answer questions in your examination for 2026. Explain the equilibrium level of income, employment, and output. Explain the equilibrium level of income, employment, and output that explain with the help of AD and AS approach, aggregate demand and aggregate supply approach, or total expenditure approach, ADAS approach, or we call it as total expenditure approach. Well, how to attempt this answer? You can write it into 4 parts. Always divide your answers into parts. You write this in 4 parts. The first one is intro. The second part is, we'll be giving you AD is equal to AS. Third part, when AD is greater than AS. Fourth part, when AS is greater than AD. And conclusion. Well, the economy will be at equilibrium only when aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply, or the total expenditure in the economy is equal to total output. That means if people have 100 rupees to spend, there should be availability of goods worth 100 rupees. That is AD, total expenditure. That is aggregate demand. Demand is equal to supply, aggregate supply. Well, if AD is greater than AS, for example, if people have 200 rupees and the availability of goods are only 100, then what happens in the economy? It is natural. Output will go up, income will go up, employment level will go up, and the gap between AD and AS is being bridged till the point AD becomes equal to AS. That is the equilibrium level of income, employment, and output. If we go beyond that point, then what happens in the economy? It will lead to stockpiling situations, surplus goods. Then the producers will get losses. They'll reduce the output, income, employment, and output till the point AD becomes equal to AS. So conclusion, the economy will be at equilibrium only when AD is equal to AS, aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply. This we will be explaining it on the board with the help of a graph. Follow carefully. So you can see it here. This is your x-axis, and then you have this is your y-axis. Well, here on the x-axis, y-axis we take AD, that is C plus I, consumption expenditure plus investment expenditure. So maybe wondering why we're taking only C plus I, because in the economy we are considering only two sectors. One is a household and one is the firms. Households consume and the firms invest. On the x-axis we take output and income. Well, then we take a 45 degrees line here, try to make as closely as you can. This we can call it as aggregate supply curve. This you write it here, 45 degrees line. And AD curve, you take it, AD curve always starts from a point above 0 because consumption can never be 0. This is AD curve. The economy is at equilibrium at point E. This is the point of equilibrium at OQ level of output. Suppose here at OQ1 level of output, AD is greater than AS. As a result, output, income, employment level will go up till the point AD becomes AS. Here, this gap is being breached. Okay? And if you go beyond this point at OQ2, AS is greater than AD. So what happens? Again, we'll come back this way. Output will decrease, income, employment level can't decrease till the point AD becomes equal to AS. So three things, remember, AD is equal to AS at the equilibrium level of income, employment, and output. If AD is more than AS, income, employment, output will increase till the point AD becomes equal to AS. If you go beyond that, stockpiling situation, will reduce output income employment till the point AD becomes equal to A. So conclusion is the economy will be at equilibrium only when aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply and the total expenditure in the economy is total output. That's all we have for this video. Learn this properly. Well, that's all. Best of luck for your board examination. And I promise we'll keep making more videos like this, which will help you for your board exams. And they're absolutely free. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like our videos. Bye bye, guys.